Right, so I'm kind of lent in the car now, the one with the fault, with the ACC. So I'm going to show you what you realistically see as a customer. So I'm just going to turn the ignition on now. And that's it. You'll get the little warning light at the bottom and it'll say ACC unavailable. Now we're going to fix it with that thing. So immediately you can see where the radar is. We've got damage to the grille. So the Golf's got a bit of a broken smile. We're going to sort that out today with a new grille. The radar, as you can see, probably shouldn't be doing that. However, the radar's all right. So they do a repair kit for these, which I'm going to show you. And I'll put all the part numbers down that you need for the repair kit and stuff like that down in the description. So we're going to get this sorted. We're going to give it a new smile. And of course, it's going to have a new shoe. It's having a new shoe on the corner and rear brakes as well, because they're not great. So there we go. We're going to show you it in stages, guys, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And part numbers again will be down there. So catch you in the next little bit. Right, so I've got the front end of the car off now. Do you want to see? There it is, look. So it's quite easy to set these bumpers off. But like I say, I'm replacing the grille anyway. So let's get to showing you what's going on with this ACC. Right, so this is the one on the car, or was on the car. As you can see, it's flopping about. There's one of the brackets actually missing, and you just don't know whatever the impact was, whether it's bent anything. So we replaced the bolts, we replaced the bracketry with all this. So new bracket, not bent. All new cradle for the radar. I can show you the radar as well. So there's no damage to the radar. It's all in good. All the clips are absolutely spot on. And that'll get a calibration just after we've done the job. So all that effectively happens is these little tabs, you can replace these tabs as well, but the radar bracket just clips in. I'm going to show you on top of the my box here. Just be careful of this one because it's plastic. They do just clip in. Doing it one-handed. Hopefully you can hear and see, guys. And that's all that happens, just threads in through there. There we go, better. And then just this little plastic one left. Sorry if it looks a bit faffy, guys, it is. There we go. Right, so they're all clipped in, you can see that. And that effectively bolts to the car, like that. And now these screws here, there, and there are what we use to calibrate it when we've got the calibration board all set up with the vehicle. And now this one, the radar itself, will just slip into little grooves just there, like that. So you can see they're just in the grooves there, and then all it does is, again, a bit tight, but you want it tight because it's effectively holding all this together. And that's it. That's the bracket done. There's your 2 new nuts. And all we do is offer it up to the car. They sit in a nice place. None of this bracketry behind's bent, so these just get bolted up like that, plugged in, which is there. Front end put back on when I've done the grille, and then we'll do a calibration. I can't show the calibration on camera because I really do need 2 hands for that. It's a bit of a technical doohickey. If you've ever done one out there, you'll know. However, that is essentially the repair kit for the radar. And then yes, just a calibration required. So obviously with the calibration you need a wheel alignment as well, which I'm doing shortly after I put the bumper back on. So I'll bring you along for the calibration successful, guys. And just like that, the bumper's back on the car, brand new smile, all the camera bracketry is all behind here that you see me fit earlier. And there we go, so it's looking good. And then we've just got one final touch, which is a little bit of a surround, just to seal the deal. Help if we get it the right way around though, wouldn't it? And look at that, guys. There it is, all fitted, all nice and standard again now, so everything's all intact. That just needs a calibration. The car needs a wheel alignment, a couple of other bits, but there we go, guys. A little bit on the ACC. One day I'll hopefully be able to show you a calibration in process. But again, like I say, it's a bit hard. But other than that, guys, car's almost done. And here we go, guys. So the calibration's been done. Like I say, it's a bit of an involved job, but here we go. So I'm going to start it up now. And you get to see there's no warning lights on the dash now. Infotainment's off. That's just lane assist. Don't worry about that. That's good because it's not picking up any white lines because I'm parked on a bay. And now we can turn the ACC off, turn it on, and it'll work absolutely spot on. So that's it, guys. That is an ACC fault fix and ready to drive. So I will catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you very much.